We're getting ready to anesthetize a Western Cougar here at Nature's Classroom. This 11-year-old Cougar has a history of having an infection around his chin, and he also has some concerns with his gait. He's walking a little. So we're also going to check out his spine and his hips and his rear legs with some radiographs at Zoo Tampa. He's had a history of some lameness and some difficulties walking. Our Cougar was pretty relaxed this morning, and he stood still long enough for me to get a dart into him, so we're off to a good start.
Hey zoo friends, I'm Keith Laycock, the principal at Nature's Classroom. We're here today to invite you to come outdoors with us. Nature's Classroom is an outdoor environmental center that's part of Hillsborough County Public Schools, giving students of Hillsborough County an opportunity to come outdoors for a day or a few days to learn about Florida native animals and water conservation. Nature's Classroom is forming a partnership with Zoo Tampa to help take care of the animals that we have here at Nature's Classroom. Our Florida native animals can use the expertise that's available at Zoo Tampa. Kids.
With the 1.5 right?
He scraped up his brow here. His face
I see that.
Yeah.
I see
It looks
that.
pretty superficial, but it's
It's pretty.
weird.
I'm good to go whenever you're done.
On the radiograph of this cougar, you can see this is where his canine comes into his mandible here. Then you've got this other radio density kind of speckled model right behind that tooth that actually may be involving some of this tooth.
So on the exam today, we found that the animal's got actually an abscess here deep in the tooth root. So there might have been some remnants of that canine tooth left over and just got a really nasty infection and osteomyelitis into that jawbone. So I'm trying to just drill through the bone and create like a tree fine. So because of the infection, we're actually going to create a little trephination right here to let that pus and everything drain out, because we really got to help clear out the infection, otherwise it'll just sit there in the bone. So I've got a needle just coming through and just making a little stoma. All right, so we're all done with his exam and he's about ready to go back to Nature's Classroom, and so Ryan's just unplugging him and we're getting him on the stretcher.
We're back at Nature's Classroom with this big male cougar. We're waiting for the anesthetic gas to blow off. When I don't smell it anymore, then I'll go ahead and give him his reversal, pull his tracheo tube, and we'll just stand back. Okay. Okay, no, that's good. Okay. Yeah, I wouldn't offer him anything today. The rest of the day. Tomorrow, keep him on food cards. We're wrapping up with our cougar here at Nature's Classroom. He's recovering well. We found he had an old fractured infected tooth that I think we've got addressed. We're going to drain that. We've got some other tests pending for him. We'll be back in touch with Nature's Classroom and see if we can continue to help. Thanks for hanging out with us, zoo friends. We'll see you next time.